Okay, in this video we will uh, actually apply the different commands which are being discussed in the resource sheet, plus we would be discussing some additional commands also. So we start with a file type, and file type can be PDF. And if we search something, for example communication technology, then it will return all the results, uh, PDF files only, which are having the words communication and technology. We should be careful here, because it will search the communication word and the technology word separately, so that may not serve our purpose. First we have to decide about the file type. Mostly it is PDF. In the research publications it can be doc also, doc. And then see doc file, they have been returned. And it can be PPT also. Now these are all the presentations which are having the words communication and the technology. So friends, what to do if we want to get the result in which communication technology words they appear together. For example, I need some sentence in which communication technology words they are used after one another. So I will put the double quotes before and after the words, and if I type this way, then the results would be more focused. Now see, the results, they have been immediately reduced to 9880. So uh, this was a very good command, and the application of this command is very fantastic. These days most of the research students, they are in the habit of copying and pasting the material from the internet, and by using this command you can select a particular sentence from the student's thesis, and you type it in the double quotes in the Google, and just press search, and it will immediately show the line which has been copied from which website. So it's wonderful command, very little command though, but highly applicable. So these were two to three commands which I have discussed, and more of them are following in the next video. Thank you very much. Searching any information on Google, let's take into consideration some basic points. Let's customize Google for this research. What I mean by that is, if I search economic prosperity, then you see Google automatically suggests me some results. This is known as the Google Instant. It only works when the speed of the internet is fairly good. So you see, it has shown some results, but these results are very large in numbers. So what to do? First of all, let us customize Google for something. Suppose we are searching something regarding the economic, so let us go to this palette, search tools, customize the search by mentioning the country. That if you want to search for the pages from India only, then select this. Next is you want to specify some time for the search, past hour, 24 hours, past week, past month, past year, or you want to give a custom range. For example, I want to search the information uh, from January 1st, 2012 to the present. Then what I would do is September 8, go. Now the filter has been applied that it will search information between this time period only, and this filter is going to stay unless you remove. It will show all results, dictionary, reading level. Reading level is slightly advanced level. If you want to search for the information whose reading level according to the Google is very high, then you can search this. After that, if you search for this term, for example, economic prosperity, then these are the results, and if you click on the search tool, then it will show the 67,000 results. So this search is more focused rather than searching randomly on the Google for anything. This search is more good. And if you want to clear this filter, then go to clear and it will automatically disappear. Now see, without the filter, the number of search results are, no, I can't even count them. So it is more focused. So this tutorial will be limited to the uh, customizing Google for your own search. And if you want to see the images of economic prosperity, then go to images. If you want to go to the maps, then you can click this, and if you want to do something more with this, then you can click these links. It will show the videos related to the economic prosperity, latest news, books, blogs, discussions, application, and patents also. So very few of us noticed some of the links on the right side, that uh, safe search. What is safe search? You should always put it on. If you are searching for some controversial words, for example breastfeeding, then it will return the results, only those results which are really scientific related to the breastfeedings. Or if you want to search for sex, then if the safe search is on, then it will not show obscene results or results in the bad taste. It will show only the scientific results. And you can see the gear here. If you click this, then you can go to the search settings, and here you can customize your search, like results per page 10, 20, 30, and save. So it will be saved automatically. It will search the pages in the languages also. You can select location. I don't worry about this, so it is not important. So friends, this was a very small tutorial, and we should learn to customize Google first and then go for the search. Thank you.